So we'll see how to connect to internet from Windows PC inside EVNG while doing the lab, or for any router or switch, how we can get connectivity for internet. It's a simple and very easy, but if you don't know, then it will be difficult. This is actually my SD-WAN lab. So right now I'm not making the video about this one. Here I created for this small video a lab. So here's my router, switch and PC. You can see right now I'm using this PC Windows 8 machine, which I connected through VNC. So you can see here right now, if I go to internet, open Firefox, enter, I don't have internet connection. What I have to do for connectivity, right click, go to network. Here I can select management cloud, click on save. From management cloud you connect to your PC, but your PC should have two Ethernet card, like one is for your internal network and one is connected to internet from VMware to your local PC internet. Okay, so right now the PC is powered on, and that's why the cable is not cannot connect the cable. To connect the cable I should have to power off the Windows PC. So I will turn off the PC now. This is Windows 8 actually machine here, and then shut down. So you can see now what I will do. I will connect this management cloud, which is our internet, to the PC on Ethernet E0, because my other Ethernet adapter is connected to the switch, is connected to router. So after connecting this, we will turn on this PC, click on start. The PC is started now. It will take some time to boot, so let's wait until the PC will be boot, and then I will open my PC using VNC. Let's go to VNC viewer. The PC before login, so that's why it's saved here. I will double click on it. One more thing here, we can give the manual IP address, like here my main IP, which is I get through my VMware workstation, is 192.168.241.128. so same range IP we can give here for to connect to the internet, to our second interface. On this hour to the router we can connect whatever subnet we want. So for easy internet connectivity, this is the option. I think the PC is booted now. Here I will log in through my password because of Windows 8. So we'll see now. You can see the LAN is showing internet access network 2, because I have two interfaces, that's why it's showing here right side. There are two interfaces, one doesn't have internet and one have internet through this PC. So if I go to the Firefox now, we will test the connectivity. I will open Firefox, and if I go to the browser and I will check connectivity, it should get connected. See, you can see now. Test the other websites also. The internet I have, because the system is slow, that's why it's opening little bit slower pages. Here we have connectivity. So it's a simple thing. We have connectivity in our PC, as well as we'll get connectivity if I connect this NAT to the switch, and through VLAN we can get whatever subnet we want. Our subnet will get internet access. Thanks for watching.